Australia is a vast and diverse country with many cities that offer different attractions and experiences. This is the 8th and last video in an 8-part series about Australian cities. Darwin is the 8th largest and 8th most populous city in Australia, with over 140,000 residents. It is the territory capital of the Northern Territory and is located on the Timor Sea and the Darwin Harbour. The city contains most of the sparsely populated Northern Territory's residents. It is the smallest, wettest and most northerly of the Australian capital cities and serves as the top end's regional centre. Darwin is a tropical and multicultural city with a diverse and resilient history. Darwin's proximity to Southeast Asia makes it a key link between Australia and countries such as Indonesia and East Timor. The city is built upon a low bluff overlooking Darwin Harbour. The Darwin region, like much of the top end, has a tropical climate with a wet and dry season. A period known locally as the build-up leading up to Darwin's wet season sees temperature and humidity increase. Darwin's wet season typically arrives in late November to early December and brings with it heavy monsoonal downpours, spectacular lightning displays, and increased cyclone activity. During the dry season, the city has clear skies and mild sea breezes from the harbour. The two largest economic sectors in Darwin are mining and tourism. Given its location, Darwin serves as a gateway for Australian travellers to Asia. Mining and energy industry production exceeds $2.5 billion per annum. The most important mineral resources are gold, zinc and bauxite, along with manganese and many others. The energy production is mostly offshore, with oil and natural gas from the Timor Sea, although there are significant uranium deposits near Darwin. The city has been almost entirely rebuilt 4 times following devastation caused by a cyclone in 1897, another one in 1937, Japanese air raids during World War II, and Cyclone Tracy in 1974. For tourists, Darwin offers a variety of things to see and do. From the sparkling harbour and Wutu history to the city's Asian-influenced food and tropical outdoor lifestyle, Darwin is an adventurer's paradise. There are plenty of options when dining around Darwin. It has many attractions, such as the Mindle Beach Sunset Market, the Museum and Art Gallery of the Northern Territory, and the Crocosaurus Cove. Darwin is also a base for exploring the natural wonders and cultural heritage of the Northern Territory, such as the Kakadu National Park, the Litchfield National Park, and the Tiwi Islands. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed our Australian City series.